Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about the cookie of the expression language, and it is used to print the value stored into the cookie. Let's see with practical. First I click on the file and click on the new and take a dynamic web project. A dialog box will be displayed here, and I need to write my project name, and I write my project name as EL cookie demo, and click on the next, and check the generate web.xml deployment descriptor and click on the finish. My project displayed under the project explorer. Look here, EL, and I simply explore it and right click on the web content. A pop-up menu will be displayed here. Click on the new and take a JSP file. I am giving my file name as index.jsp and press enter. Okay. Here I am taking a form tag and action equal cookie dot JSP and close it, and I save it. Taking here a div tag and using the inline style CSS equal width 200 pixel and height 100 pixel, border width 1 pixel, and save it, press enter. Within div I simply write here enter the name, and taking here the input type as a text, and giving here the name equal name, close it, press enter, and I'm taking another input type equal submit, giving here the value as a submit, and close it and save it. Look here, this is the form tag, and I'm using the action and passing here the cookie.jsp file. When the user click on the submit button, the control redirect to cookie.jsp file, and user need to enter the name into the input type text. Okay, and I save it. So I need to create a cookie.jsp page. So I right click on the web content, click on the new, take a JSP file, giving here the name as a cookie.jsp and press enter. My cookie.jsp file is created here, and simply I am using the expression tag of the JSP and a variable string n equal request dot get parameter, press enter, giving here the parameter name as a name and terminated with semicolon, and creating here a cookie ck equal new cookie, and giving here the cookie name as a name and object as a n and terminated with semicolon, and then response dot add cookie, giving here the cookie as a ck and save it. Look here, I'm using the implicit object request and get parameter method calling with the help of request, and passing here the argument or parameter name as a name. The name value store simply assign into the n variable, and in the next line I am creating a cookie and object as a ck new cookie, giving the name of the cookie as a name, and object value I am passing here the n, means the value coming from the index.jsp input type text store into the n variable with the help of this statement, and store into the cookie and giving here the cookie name as a name, and add the response object with the help of add cookie method. I press enter and taking here an anchor tag and href equal, giving here the disp.jsp, close it and simply write here the click and save it. When value store into the cookie, user click on this anchor tag, the control go to disp.jsp. So I need to create a disp.jsp file. Simply I click new and take a disp.jsp file, disp.jsp file and press enter. Here I want to print the value stored into the cookie with the help of cookie of the implicit expression of the implicit object of the expression language, and simply I write taking here a h2 level heading and write here welcome to this page, welcome to this page, and press enter and write here dollar and cookie dot name dot value, and save it. There is something wrong. What happened? Cookie dot name dot value, welcome, comma, and save it. No problem. And this is the cookie implicit object of the expression language, and this is the name of cookie, and with the help of value we can get the value from the cookie, and save and come to index.jsp page and save it and run it. Click on the next, finish. Okay. Apache Tomcat started here localhost, and it is taking little time, and with the help of browser the index.jsp page will displayed on to the screen, and where you need to enter the name, and after entering the name you click on the button. Tomcat server has encountered a problem, localhost failed to start. There is some problem. I check it. What problem it's getting? I stop the server. Everything all right. CK, new cookie, name, etc. Okay. And save it. Again run it. Finish. Started Tomcat 100% completed. Okay. My index.jsp page is displayed by the browser. Okay. Simply I enter the name, click on the submit. It redirect to cookie.jsp page and store the value into the cookie. The value is wrong, and when click on this link, it redirect to disp.jsp page, and with the help of implicit object of the expression language cookie display the name that is coming from the index.jsp. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot. In the next lecture we will discuss other implicit object of the expression language. So don't forget and please watch my next video for implicit object of the expression language. In the previous lecture I discussed about the session implicit object of the expression language. Thank you friends.